Welcome to another truck hardware installation tutorial. Today we are installing our Gatorback front mud flaps on a 2019 GMC Sierra 1500. These flaps are a great way to protect and improve the overall look of your vehicle. Remember, this video is to be used as a companion to the included installations and instructions. Let's get started. These flaps are to be used with our finishing caps, which are sold separately. These will need to be installed first. You can find the finishing cap install video tutorial in the description below. Once the caps are installed, the next step is to place a supplied spring nut, with the nut facing outwards, onto the finishing cap as shown. Next, remove the factory screw on the wheel well. Next, we will install one of our custom clips onto the mud flap. Take your clip and slide it into the mud flap as shown. Ensure that the metal tab on the clip slides into the corresponding slot on the flap. Once the clip is in place, secure it using a flat washer and cap screw. Next, attach the flap to the previously placed spring nut using a flat washer and cap screw. With the mud flap in place, we will now attach our clip behind the fender liner as shown. Next, install the top of the flap using a screw and flat washer. Repeat this process for the remaining two holes on the flap. With the square or other leveling tool, make sure the mud flap is level. We also recommend you take a step back and visually gauge the mud flap to check that it is aligned correctly. Once your flap is level, secure all fasteners. Congratulations, you've just finished installing your Gatorback mud flaps. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe. Check out the rest of our channel and website for additional tips, tricks, and installation guides. Thanks for choosing Truck Hardware.